Wondering what the best investments for 2024 might be? It's a question that's on the mind of many, and for good reason. The world of investing is dynamic, ever-changing, and filled with opportunities for those who know where to look. Today we will explore the landscape of investments in 2024, comparing and contrasting different types of investments to help you make informed decisions. Stocks have always been a popular choice for investors. They offer the potential for high returns, but they also come with their fair share of risk. In 2024, technology and healthcare sectors continue to dominate the stock market. Tech companies, especially those in artificial intelligence, blockchain, and cybersecurity, are making significant strides. On the other hand, healthcare companies are also booming, thanks to ongoing advancements in biotechnology and personalized medicine. However, remember that while these sectors present exciting opportunities, it's crucial to diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks. Next up, we have real estate, a classic investment vehicle. Despite the ups and downs of the property market, real estate tends to appreciate over time, making it a stable investment. Not to mention, it can also provide a steady stream of rental income. In 2024, emerging markets in Asia and Africa are presenting promising opportunities for real estate investors. Yet, it's important to consider factors like political stability, economic growth, and property laws before diving in. Bonds, often seen as less risky than stocks, are another option. They provide regular interest payments and return the principal amount at the end of the bond term. However, in 2024, with interest rates at historic lows, the returns on bonds are not as attractive as they once were. Yet they can still serve as a safety net in a well-diversified investment portfolio. Cryptocurrencies are the wild cards of the investment world. In 2024, they remain volatile, but their potential for high returns is undeniable. Blockchain technology is disrupting various industries, and cryptocurrencies play a pivotal role in this revolution. Always remember, though, with high reward comes high risk, and cryptocurrencies are no exception. Lastly, there's the option of investing in startup companies. In an era where innovation is king, startups can offer extraordinary returns. However, they can also fail spectacularly. In 2024, startups in green technology and fintech are attracting significant attention. But caution is the name of the game here, as the success of startups can be unpredictable. In conclusion, the best investments for 2024 are a blend of stocks, real estate, bonds, cryptocurrencies, and startups. A diversified portfolio can help balance risk and reward. While tech and healthcare stocks, emerging real estate markets, and innovative startups present exciting opportunities, bonds offer stability and cryptocurrencies bring the potential for high returns. However, every investment comes with its unique set of risks and rewards, and it's essential to do thorough research before making any investment decisions. Here's to a prosperous 2024.